Hello, my name is Jacky and today I'm going to show you how to make butternut soup with 3 ingredients. 1 kg of butternut, 500 gram of apples, 2 cubes of chicken stock. The first step is to peel my butternut, but I already peeled my butternut. Then I'm going to peel my apples and then I'm going to dissolve my 2 chicken stock cubes with 4 cups of hot water. After peeling the apples, I'm going to mix the 2 chicken stock cubes with 4 cups of hot water. After mixing the 2 cubes of chicken stock, let's put all the ingredients into a medium-sized pot. After closing the lid, I'm going to cook it on a high heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes cooking, I'm going to switch off the stove and then put the butternut and the apple into the blender. After putting the ingredients into the blender, I'm going to put a little bit of the sauce also into the blender. blending, it is ready for serving. In just half an hour, you can have a perfect starter or a nice butternut soup for the cold winter evenings. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube link. Until the next episode, have fun cooking.